Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well, and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can edit the SEO options of your page on Shopify. So let's get right into it. Now, with SEO, pretty much the same as with SEO for any other site, you're going to be using a couple of different things. You're going to be using up the Google search engine, or not the search engine, I forgot what it's called. But you're going to, the Google Search Console, you're going to be using that. You're going to be using Google Analytics, and you're going to be using the Bing web service, or Bing Webmaster. I forgot what it's called, but those are all external to Shopify, so they don't really have any relevance for this tutorial. Now, what you're going to be doing in Shopify to edit your SEO settings is you're going to go ahead and change the metadata for either your product. You can go ahead and click on products and select whichever product you want. If you go down, as you can see, you can go to category, and you can change the category to whatever it is, and that's going to add meta fields to your item. You can also go ahead and add any tags if you want. That will also help your SEO. But what the main thing you're going to want to be doing is going into online store, going into themes, and right next to your theme that you're using, as you can see currently I'm using the default Dawn theme, we're going to go over into additional actions, which are these three dots, and click on edit code. Now, to edit your code, what you're going to need to be editing here is the robots.txt.liquid file. If you don't have it, and for example, I'll just delete it, what you're going to do is add it under templates into this folder right here. So the second folder is templates. Go here and click add new template. Then you're going to need to select a template type. We're going to select robots.txt. Click done, and that's going to generate an automatic file, which looks something like this. Now, to edit your SEO, you're going to need to edit the liquid code for this. And once you edit that code, you just click save in the top right once you've made your desired changes. And then that is going to add everything that you need for your SEO. This is pretty much an instruction manual for communications between your site and the search engine, which does send out robots or bots or spiders to search for certain keywords and key elements of your website and your web page, and then once that returns it in the search that somebody does, is going to rank up higher on the search engine, and you're going to be using it very easily. And that is basically it. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.